Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, the How to Talk About Time PDF cheat sheet. Days of the week, months, seasons, time-related vocabulary. You'll learn it all with this printable PDF cheat sheet. Download it now for free. Second, the Most Common Adjectives PDF ebook. You'll master over 90 common adjectives with this bonus PDF picture ebook. You can download and review it on any device. Third, must-know St. Patrick's Day vocabulary. Can you talk about St. Patrick's Day in your target language? You'll be able to with this quick 1-minute vocabulary lesson. Fourth, the top 20 words for positive emotions. If you want to talk about your good feelings, check out this next bonus. It'll give you 20 positive emotion words in just a few minutes. Access it right now. Fifth, can you tell someone what your favorite color is? If not, you'll be able to soon. This next bonus will teach you vocabulary for all the common colors. Sixth, looking for a new language learning app? With the Innovative 101 app, you can learn fast and start speaking in minutes because the audio and video lessons are just 3 to 15 minutes long. Learning is that easy. Download Innovative 101 for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally master the language with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, then get 31% off Premium and Premium Plus with the Breakthrough Sale. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the description below. Download them right now before they expire.